Hello my people. Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you are a registered nurse planning to work in Europe, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to work in Belgium as a nurse, step by step, including licensure, visa sponsorship, and requirements. What you will learn in this video. 1. How to get your nursing license in Belgium. 2. Language requirements. 3. Visa sponsorship process. 4. Salary and benefits. 5. Mistakes to avoid. About Belgium. Belgium is a strong European healthcare country with high demand for nurses. Good salary, €2,300 to €4,800 plus. Opportunity for long-term residency. But it is not a fast process country. Step 1. Diploma recognition. This is the most important step. You must apply for diploma recognition. Submit transcripts and training details. Possibly go through NARIC evaluation. NARIC Vlaanderen is the competent authority. National Information Centers. NARIC Vlaanderen. NARIC Flanders. Phone, +32 2 553 1700. Email, noric@vlaanderen.be. Website, http://www.noric.be. Without recognition equals no job. Step 2. Professional license. After recognition, apply for authorization, health visa. This allows you to legally practice. After receiving formal recognition of a foreign professional qualification, the next step for healthcare professionals in many jurisdictions is to secure a specific authorization to practice, often called a license or health visa, before taking up employment. Step 3. Language requirement. You must speak French or Dutch. Minimum level B1, B2. No language equals no job, very important. Step 4. Job plus visa sponsorship. Once you get a job, employer applies for work permit. You get Type D visa. You relocate legally. Salary plus benefits. €2,300 to €4,800 plus salary. Health insurance. Paid leave. Some employers offer relocation support. Challenges. 1. Process takes time. 2. Language required. 3. Document verification strict. Final advice. Belgium is not fast, but very stable long-term. If you want Europe plus long-term growth, Belgium is good. Comment, Belgium Nurse Guide. Subscribe for more international nursing opportunities.